Hello, please. Please and thank you. Hello, hello. Good morning. Good morrow. Guten Morgen. Buenos dias? That's good morning, right? Or buenos noches is good night, right? Okay. Auto find and activate. Good. Good. Okay. Let's do some stuff today. What are we doing? I need to like change all my materials on these guys, basically. Might be one of the first thing. Okay. Yeah, let me do that. Let me go through and I have like a material boy here. Boy. Material. I need to make a bunch of material instances. I probably should have done this from the get-go. Probably should have done it from the get-go. But I did not know what I was doing. Okay. Boo. So the robes should, well, robe set 1 should be good. God, I really want this folder to be deleted. And it won't, because it throws me off every fucking time, and it's empty. Can I, hang on, let me delete that from the file system. Robe set 1, delete. See, it didn't fucking delete it. Why won't my robes delete themselves? Okay, equipment, robe set 1. Okay, let's close this down. Close it. Delete. I also have a folder named Robs. That is seemingly empty as well. Let's delete that. The robes. Robes. Okay, now we rebuild. I don't think there is anything to rebuild. Okay. I was doing some fixes on the areas, so we may end up doing that as well today. As you were working on a big project, how much space do you need to work? Is 300 gig space of it enough? I mean, you'll find out once you start working. I don't know your project, and my project is different. I'm sure that's plenty to get started. I would just start, and then all the answers to the questions of should I start will be answered. What do I need to start? Those will start becoming clear. Okay, did that folder get deleted? It did, yay! Okay. Okay, so I need to basically Let's rename these to old. Slap an underscore old onto each of those bad boys. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, it's good. And let me like duplicate one of these. Imrobe back 2, which is exactly what we want it to be named, actually. Well, so hang on, let me do this then. If that's going to have the proper name on it, let's duplicate all of them, move them all into set 2. Nice, nice. And then we just got to open each one of these up and actually wire up the correct extras. Should be C2. Hello, welcome in. Back my pussy and my crack. Sorry, that was vulgar. I'm sorry. To back normal. Let's also delete the rim jobs here. We don't need the rims anymore. No roughness or metal maps for me. Rim. Okay, delete all those. Elliot, welcome. Good morning. Okay, so all those are dead, and that's fine. 2 chest, base color. Okay. Beatsies. The feetsies have been feated. This is hands. I was thinking about feet, sorry. I do that quite frequently. Hands. Hands ID map might not even be populated. His head. Legs. Liag. No, leg. 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 Waist. Waist. Okay, set 2 is done. Can you not? Oh, because it's a material instance instead of a material. I can't. Oh, that's so annoying. It has to be like the exact same type. That is annoying. Okay, I guess I'll just have to manually put all these back. Force delete. I shall delete it with the force. Why are you wearing the same thing now? Oh, did I only... Yeah, I guess I'm only putting these on the little display meshes here. Good. Yeah, that seems to be... Everything seems to be in order. You know, I'm just not noticing the little metal tips he put on here. It's a nice touch there. That goes the gaming. We're not gaming. Are you asking like what games I've played recently? Or are you just asking how things are going? I've been playing a little bit of No Rest for the Wicked, but it's like the most gorgeous game I think I've ever seen. But how goes the Java is what he's... Dr. Elliot and Java go together like two peas in a pod. It's famously known for his love of Java and ground vehicles as well. Okay. I just Ghost, welcome, my man. Welcome in. Okay, what is this? This is back. The set 3 still has rim jobs, so we'll need to fix that. Back. Oh, I put the wrong one in there. Get rid of the rim jobs here. 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is that all of them? How's the project going? It's going good. It's going good. I'm changing all my materials into instances, which is something I should have done. Should have done that to begin with. And let's just open the rest of these while we're at it. What am I trying to achieve today? I am trying to change my materials into material instances. That is the thing that I am doing right now. Feet? This is feet. Later, I will probably go back to working on fixing the areas. Fixing the areas. Which I have like a commit in progress on. I don't have an ID for legs here. Interesting. Yeah, I don't. Okay. Clear. There we go. Getting back into mine after a few months break. I was burnt out, did not want to think about game dev. I feel you. Okay, let's delete our other rims here. Now we want to delete and not duplicate. Okay. Those are all done. force delete. Delete them, yes. You are the weakest material. Goodbye. Okay, how's that one look? Did that get lighter? Did I have like the wrong texture in there before? I feel like that got lighter. Oh, I know what it is. I think I changed, yeah, the brightness. I was changing the default brightness. Okay, that's why. There we go. That's what it's. There we go. Okay. Now I have control over all that very easily. Very easily. Yes, good. Good. Okay. On to set 4. So we duplicate here. Oh no, I gotta rename over here in set 4. Underscore. I mean, I'm manually doing it anyway, so just fucking delete them all. Just delete them all. For underscore back base base ID normal. Do milk. Okay. No, I did not make the assets myself. I hired a professional to do it for me because I am no artist. Okay, so I think okay, well, we're gonna change these. And add. Why not use Godot? Because I don't want to. Next question. Do you think that there's only reasons to use Godot? Or are you asking what the reasons are to not use Godot? There are reasons to use other game engines. I mean, Unreal Engine is just, it's the best commercially available engine. Like, is it perfect? No. Are you gonna rewrite this game and run? Man, you just have banger questions. No. Next question. I am not going to rewrite this in Rust. No. What is your next question? I'm so curious now. Okay, now we got to do the mail sets. Okay, give me... Copy. Pasta. Robe, replace to mail. We need to delete all these first. Oh god, the mail, that one's gonna be annoying because that one's actually rigged. When is pregnancy gonna happen? Well, when a mom and dad love each other very much, a baby comes out. The stork delivers the baby. Next question. Dude, I'm so good at answering these questions. Holy shit. Oh no, I didn't want to do that. Didn't want to do that. Email back one. Okay. That all looks good. Okay. God, YouTube Shorts is on one today. Also. Welcome in. Hello. Okay, so after this set, this one will take a little bit to wire back up. I gotta like put things on a data table and stuff for this one. Oh shit, and then I need to make another legs one too. There's 2 legs textures. Or materials rather. But then we have 3 more sets after this. And then we'll be done. Duplicate legs and do legs 1_2. Okay, good. Good. Battery name, search _1, rename to _2. Is that what we want? Yeah. Yeah, that is what we want. I don't even need that material open either. 2 back. Okay, okay. Another legs. Okay, all those are good, I think. I marked that as mail set 4. You know what? Let's just go ahead and knock all of them out then. I am fucking locked in right now. Fastest material wirer this side of the Mississippi. And I'm on the good side of the Mississippi. Okay, that one's done. Okay. How much time will it take for the release? All of it. All of the time. Wait, there's no... Oh, it's still called set 6. Okay, let's get in here. should be search underscore 4, replace underscore search for underscore 6. What's your level at the moment? Correct. Okay, that looks good. Are you enjoying yourself? I hope you're having fun. Okay, now I have the fourth set of textures. Okay. Hands. So fat, so good. Will there be a god-type class that has power over all? Oh, that was the wrong one. Legs ID. _4. Oh, I fucked up the names on those ones. We'll fix that. Okay, so all those are good. This one should be _4 _2. Two, 2, 1, 2. Okay, all those are good. Okay, close tabs to the right. Mail set for oh, this one still has the 3 slots on it. Mail set 1. You're like, you still have cloth stuff on you. Is the first DLC gonna be horse armor? Dum 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 dum. Can you ban annoying kids from chat or kick them out? Is it annoying you too? I was just trying to have fun with it. Usually it's good content. It's getting annoying, I'll stop entertaining it. And they usually, their attention spans are not good enough to last longer than a few minutes without being acknowledged. So once you just ignore a couple of their chats, they usually go away. Believe me, we've had our fair share here. We've had our fair share. Make happy fun land. Mart's the GOAT. He was the OG annoying kid. 13-year-old Pakistani kid with unsupervised internet access. It's a nightmare. He's the dystopian. He's the horseman of the apocalyptic dystopian future. Are kids with unfettered internet access. Their attention spans are formidably non-existent. Brother, I haven't verified my age yet, but I can assure you I'm not a child. You verified that you have the maturity of a child. You've done that much. I think it's a bit sad. Yeah. So it goes. Do these still have the materials wired up into them? How did that happen? How did that happen? Most of them are fine. Just the feces weren't. Okay, mail set 1 is good, 4 should be good. 5 and 6 should be 2 and 3. Chest, feet, arms, head, leggies, shoulders, waist. Okay, then we got mail set 3 here. There is no static mesh here. Why is that named C? Should not be C. And I don't have a female version of that. Okay. Noted. What is this, set 3? Okay, I think we are done. Let me check the data table real quick. Oh, the cloth skull meshes need to be fixed here. Wrong set there. Waist. Elvis. Where are my legs at? Y'all ever not find your legs? Y'all ever do that? Just as good. Back. Okay. Okay, then these should have no material, basically no material overrides on them. Okay, cool. Cool. Now I suppose this gear needs to be fixed up too, but I think that's gonna get changed eventually. So I just want to look and see here if everything looks good. Anything woefully out of place? I don't think so.
I don't think so.
Are we ready to move on? Are we ready to move on? Why does my delete button not work? Odd, very odd. Okay. Okay, we're done with that saga. Now, I need to remember what the hell I was doing. Sorry, let me... Okay, sorry, I had to check some notifications there. Hello, welcome. Hello and welcome to me trying to fix my areas, which I think are mostly working now. The storage settings are not working. Yeah, so this is why I wanted to... I was doing hauling and I wanted to make sure it worked with areas as well. We rename it successfully. That area's name did not get did. Okay, so if I rename it to like the next name, ain't no good, Althea. Okay. Everything that is looking good. There's no way to delete them though. There's no way to delete them. Is that something that I've had wired up before? Now it's just expand and shrink. Can you shrink them to nothing? Yeah, I think I'd probably just delete them. The shrinking and expanding doesn't it work fully. Kind of a difficult problem to solve. But yeah, I think that would just delete them. I don't think shrinking and expanding actually does anything at the moment. I think expanding might work. No, it doesn't. It crashes. There's probably get entity somewhere that I'm not using the right thing on. Oh, interacting character is null. Where does that normally get set at? On start resize mode. An easy fix. An easy fix. I just need to follow the flow. Of that button press. Okay. Expand area action. Am I building C++ or all blueprints? Mostly C++. Did I write this? This feels like something I didn't write. I don't know. Like this being so organized right here, I'm like, that's not me. That can't be me. Oh, I'm forwarding the input to the thing that is interacted with. On input action received. That's such a weird way. I feel like I hacked that together. That's such a weird way to do it. On expand area pressed. Not placement build object. I just need to set the interacting character here. Let's see what's happening here. On expand area press. If I'm not expanding, we will finish area placement, which is where the bug occurred. And we will cancel if we were mid shrink, I think. Yeah, so else if, and I'm gonna say ECS has is placement. Well, let's do this. Let's do the U building is placement, is building placement mode on area. Because none of this should be done again. So that should have never been hit to begin with. So it might not matter. Interacting character may not be needed. What all is that used for? Here. Okay. We refresh interaction. And we use it to get the character who was building its colony so that we can add this to the colony. And I suppose there are some places in blueprints that it is used here. That's in humanoid. Wait, that's in the humanoid. Oh, it's just doing like a... I guess it's just doing a free text search there. I refresh interaction. I get the building component off of it. What the fuck happened to my music player? My music player thingo is broken. Okay, well, we're just going to say goodbye to that. And I'll fix that later. Yes, I don't think I need that here. Oh, I need it right there. Never mind, I do need it. Well, let's just do this then. If it's already being passed in here, let's maybe reduce our Oh, I think that already is. Well, no. Interacting actor. Reduce our dependency on that. Because I feel like that's something I maybe can get rid of at some point. Expand. Yeah, and so that's the same area. Yeah, so that's treated the same, even though they are separate. They are separate but equal. Shrink. Doesn't work. I haven't done shrink yet. Finish. Finish. Oh, I have no way to end the shrink mode. Also, why does this keep popping up? I wish it would show me closer to what the issue was. Oh, there it is. There. That's what I wanted. As pawn. Oh, the interacting actor was null. Yeah, that looks good. Perfect. I'm not gonna worry about the shrinking right now because I know that part doesn't work. Let's make sure. Where's my hump at? There was a hump that oh, there it is. That's the hump. That's my hump. Test the uh-oh. Huh, it doesn't work going up. Oh, if I hit escape, it just places it instead of cancel. She's a bit laggy. I'm wondering if there's a frame difference. Yeah, I'm like anywhere between 90 and 100. I feel like there's maybe like a 5 FPS drop. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. If I get them all on screen here. Yeah, looking at one of these. There was supposed to be backface culling on this material. What happened? What did I press? Oh, right. Yeah, crap. Yeah. Wait, why did that happen when I stepped into a new chunk? My entity chunk processor is, doing something. What entity is this? Don't actually know what this entity is. I mean, this has to be This has to be a. This has to be the area building. There's 190 terrain chunks. Yeah, not gonna look through that. Hi chat, what game is this? This game is called My Project. Code name, My Project. Trying to think of like what situation got us here. Because chunk data. Move entities to changed chunks. Remove dead guys from chunks. Happens foist. Where does chunk entity data? And it says add newly spawned entities to chunks. Exclude anything that has a chunk entity data already. Add chunk data to new entities. It has location and it's not dead. Add it. Do not add chunk entity data yet. Okay, I did that specifically. Okay, I'm hesitant to touch this at the moment. That's gonna require me to do like some actual testing and such. And it seems like a bit of a side quest to fixing the areas, which I think are working. I just need to get I think the only thing outstanding now is that storage settings UI. Okay. I think we can close those for now. Area building. Why aren't you? Why are you being weird? Okay. Excuse me. Okay, let me find the storage settings. I'm wondering if it just never... I'm wondering if it just never has the proper data. Sorry, apologies for the sniffles. Is this used anywhere? Okay, there we go. There it is. Okay, interesting. We must init the storage settings. Okay, so we will breakpoint there. That's my breakpoint point. Storage settings is oh, right. I don't have any tags in the database. That's the issue. Okay. Now it's time for more data entry. Oh boy. I am going to do this in Google Sheets probably. Where's my data? There it is. So we want equipment data, item data, weapon data. Edit all of those. And actually, we want to export all of them. Do I have to do it one by one? Yes. Yes. Okay. Well, I can like import as new sheet, right? I think I can. Add to current sheet. Does create insert new sheet? Oh no, that just created a new spreadsheet. Append to current sheet. No. Well, I wanted it in a new tab. We'll just do that automatically. Or manually, rather. Where's import at? There it is. It would be nice if I could just drag in here. No, can't do that. Gotta import it. Okay. Okay. So our tags, weapon dot, or I guess should it be equipment, weapon, equipment, item dot equipment dot weapon? I don't know about that. No, we're not gonna do that. I forgot what I had the hierarchy as. Go weapon dot axe dot two hand. Wait, oh god, I did a whole thought process on what the order between weapon type and 1/2 hand should be. Should it be weapon.2hand.axe or weapon.axe.2hand? This will have implications in the UI. This will have like some sort of gameplay implication, so it's important. It's not just like, what makes more sense? I wouldn't give that much of a shit if it was just that. So, because it'll be a hierarchical checkbox selecty thing. And If you like select all axes, it would be one or two-handed. The inverse would be if you select all two-handed, it would be axe, mace, blah, 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 blah. You know what, this was my first thought. I'm just gonna go with that for now. Do I need to, you know what? I don't think I need the last bit there. I think I can automatically do that. I don't know if there's going to be a two-handed dagger. Don't know if there's going to be a one-handed bow either. Although one-handed bow, like one-handed crossbows would be kind of sick, right? But that'll be a crossbow, not a bow. Ammo. I don't know if torch should be a specific thing or not. I kind of feel like it should be. Because it would be something that has light on it, right? So maybe torch should be... Is there such a thing as a two-handed torch? And then some of these I don't care about anymore, really. Equipment. Dot. Mail. I'll just say mail for now. Or no, this is leather. Hands. And actually, give me equipment.leather. Take that down there. Is it mail? Shoulders, robes, or no, I'm doing cloth robes 1. Oh, that's chest. Yeah, that's chest. Okay. Honestly, can I dynamically make these? I think I can dynamically make these. I don't know if I need to like have these in each one. Because if it's in the equipment data table, I automatically know it's a piece of equipment. I just kind of felt like I was duplicating information here because I have enums for like leather, mail, cloth, and then another one for like what slot it's in. So it's like, why do I need to do this? I say as I'm still doing it. I think items data maybe is what still needs it. The thing about the gameplay tags is that the gameplay tags are hierarchical, which matches the UI that I want to display. Yeah, I guess if I created it dynamically, it would be kind of cool. And then you could maybe even do multiple. There wouldn't necessarily only need to be a single hierarchy that it belongs to, like a single set of parents. You could even have it in, you could have one thing show up in multiple categories. Oh god, am I refactoring this? Oh no. Okay, since I already did the other ones, let's just like keep moving forward with it, and then maybe there's only a few left here, and then maybe in the future. Basic wood. And I did put the, okay, I did put the table in there too. Item.wood, I think. Item.food. Fungal. And see, food, there might be a fungus that's not edible, right? Resource. Straw? Like what is this? It's like some sort, it's like a crafting resource. I guess I'll just say straw. I mean, let me look at my old, it should still be in my old item data. I say as it's not there. Ah, there's the tag table. Oh, I flattened it. I did two-handed axe, one-handed mace. Instead of one-hand dot mace. And then I did resource.wood. Food.fungal. Resource. I did do resource.straw. Okay. I just called this one crafting. Food dot veggie table dot seed. Then I made pickaxe its own category as well. Yeah, but I think just making those into enums maybe is a bit better and a bit less repetitive, because now I have to like ooh, do I need to what does that look like? Okay, I have to download each tab. That's good. That's good. This is what? Equipment, which was sheet 2. Good, okay, good. Wait, did that break everything? No, that looks good. Okay, so now we have the tags in there. Now, the item hierarchy. I think I need to build that from all the tables instead of just a few. Get root item hierarchy tags. Get item hierarchy map. So I like cache this on when the game starts, basically. Yeah, so I need to do some stuff here. Item data dot tag. Okay, so let's make another function here, maybe. Let's just call this, we'll go void a my game mode. Hello, welcome in. Welcome. Add tag entry. Add tag entry to item hierarchy, which will need to take in the F name, so row name, and then the tag. Add tag entry. Oh, I need to create the declaration first. Of course. How could I be so foolish? Let's also const ref it. I'll just like item row name. Okay, so we need to copy this and do it for equipment data table. And for weapon data table. I don't even know if I need to change destruct here, because these two extend from the other. Fuck it, let's try it. Okay, so we'll need to rebuild that. 68 actions, oh boy. I might go take my dog out right now. This is probably a good time to do that. Here be. Okay, we're back. We're back. Okay, let's see if that did things. Why does this keep breaking? I'm just gonna wire it up directly now. We have stuff. Why is none there, though? Oh, because there are... Okay, we should ignore any items with none, basically. Well, should we? Should we, question mark? Let me see. Is there anything actually under there? Oh, there's no expandy. There's no expandy boy. Yeah, and then this isn't going to go one level further. Okay, so I do need to adjust the algo a little bit here. Child tags is item. Oh, God, I remember making this and hating the structs that I had to use. So I think I want to... Maybe another function for just like make tag from table entry or something like that. Which will just take the key and the item to append it onto the item data. Table row. Does item data have the key on it? No, it doesn't. Okay. Gameplay wrapper tag, which is a name, correct? It's gonna be something like that. And then I'll need like a do name. Name. F name from string. What's the constructor? It is an F name. This needs to return. Oh yeah, F gameplay tag. How could I be so foolish? Two string. No, you have to explicitly convert it. That's so annoying. Okay, so we have that. And then I want key.toString as well. Do I have an extra parenthesis in there? No viable constructor. I do this somewhere else in my code, I know it. I do it right fucking there. Oh, I think I have a parenthesis in the wrong spot. There it is. There it is. I just wrap this in. I do one of these? No. No, you gotta explicitly pass it into the fname constructor. Beautiful. That is a beautiful syntax there. Okay. Make it static, that's fine. Okay, let's try that out. So it's going to be the underscored version of the tag of the item name, and somewhere I feel like I use that for display name. So I may need to adjust some things there. Get item data by tag. I mean, is there a point for me using tags? It's kind of starting to feel like an intermediary type. And I think the only purpose for me using them is to reuse the existing built-in functionality for gameplay tags, when in reality, like, You know, I used to like gameplay tags, and now I feel like they're a bit superfluous for my architecture. Because before, like, the reason gameplay tags were nice is because you probably have this, like, object-oriented hierarchy, and you just want a generic way to, like, see if one of your object-oriented things is some gameplay thing. But with ECS, every data type is already like that. So instead of having to use tags to describe this stuff, it just kind of... I mean, I guess for items it can be nice. I guess for items it's nicer than equipment and weapons. Every piece of information that's in here, I already have elsewhere in the data. Same with equipment. But for items, I don't have like a... I guess I have resource. But if I ever have to look up some information on a gameplay tag, that feels... that feels not very cache coherent. Oh, there's a little puppy butt back there on the heating pad. She got a haircut, so she's probably a little cold. Probably a little chilly. I kind of feel like it would be nice to just like have an array of instanced structs, perhaps, and use those as my tags. And then that way they can have multiple tags. Like you could have something that fills, like in RimWorld, there's a big mushroom you can chop down and you can use it as wood. Right? But maybe you can also eat it. I don't know. You know? Food for thought. But let's move on. None now has stuff in it. Nice. We have an item hierarchy. Good. Good. Interesting how... I mean, I guess none just kind of... I wonder if I should alphabetize these. I kind of feel like I probably should. Otherwise, it's going to just be based off of what order they exist in the data table in. I guess let's see what happens here. Ah, some of these don't work. Sort of. Let's see here. So I basically said no fungal on there. Does that actually he's not hauling anywhere. Because there's no storage? Now there should be. I thought I fixed you. Update collision. On construction finished. I hate how much stuff needs to happen on the game thread. Also, why am I doing this? I don't think I need to do this anymore, actually. Why do I need to update the collision of the actor when I finish placing an instance? I feel like I should only need to do that when the actor is first created, and then I should never need to again. Okay, are we still stuck or yeah, there we go. Remove this check. Yeah, if you guys could get around to doing that, that'd be nice. Okay, so he's not trying to haul at all. Let us debug. Change to haul. No more haulable items found. Build hauling task. Wait, did I break it? I need to... Oh, did they never get added to the colony? Because there was no colony building... Well, there should have been. Hang on. Let me go pick this up. Interesting. Yeah, so they don't know that that exists. If you were to put something on the ground before a colony is actually like created, which is kind of like building based, which an area should satisfy that, which was already placed. So there's an issue there. But if it wasn't placed, then the colonists would never know about that. They would never know about that. If I drop it now, is it good? Yeah, now it's good. Now he knows about it. Okay. Give me... Oh, shit. I forgot I can't take from... Let's fix that real quick, because that's kind of an annoying one. I can't take from inventory chests. Where's the entry point for that? Is it this? I think it's this. Yeah. Can use actor's UI. NPC, which is not the right term. If that's equal to get owning player pawn. or can control colonist. So the player could take from any chest. We need to adjust this call here. This needs to take in, I think, a UI inventory. This used it from anywhere else. I think maybe this should just be a function on, yeah, I think this should be a function on the inventory itself. Yeah, we just use it in 2 different places. Yeah, I think this is something that belongs on the inventory. And can actor use inventory? Draconin, welcome. Sorry, missed that. Gotta go, but I'll check it out on another stream. Have a nice afternoon. Subbed. Hey, thank you, my man. Appreciate that. Yeah, thanks for stopping by. Have a good one. Have a good one. Will be plenty of streams in the future. There will be plenty. Let's go ahead and grab this just for reference. And use, make it pure, make it const as well. And so really this logic is either this character is the owner entity, is it UI day? Kind of, sort of. Pit stop. Taking a pit stop here. I can't grab things from building inventories for some reason, so I'm fixing that. So either I am the character, or the interacting, I'll say interacting actor here, maybe. The interacting actor is the same entity as the one who owns this inventory, or can control colonist, which now I just need an entity version of this. There are 4 blueprint usages. How do you build the logic for NPCs? Like, how do you decide how they interact? I mean, that's just game design. That's just game design. Or if they're the owner of the colony. And this is actually... What am I... Okay, I need to rewrite. I'm rewriting this. And control colonist, which is a weird thing. I'm treating the entity, or not the entity, the I'm treating the inventory as like a colonist here, which Really just can control colony entity. Query entity. Colony owned entity. It's like colony, I don't know, owned is maybe a weird word for that. It's just some entity that belongs to some colony. That's such a long name. It's like, can this entity control this entity on a colony basis? Does it have like authority? I don't want to say colony entity because colonies are entities as well. I think that's as good as that name is going to get there. Bop, bop, boop, 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 boop. We're just going to write it from scratch here. Okay, so I want to get... We're basically just going to get the belongs to colonies of each one and see if they're... Ooh, what if an entity belongs to multiple colonies? Ooh, okay. Yeah, if that's not yeah. If they belong to the same colony, I guess for now the default can just be that they can by default control. Query entity colony. I don't need the is valid check. Well, yeah, I do actually, because what if one of these doesn't belong to a colony? What if they don't, but well, if this one doesn't belong to a colony, we already return false there. Okay, so no, we don't. We only need to check one of those two. Query entity colony belongs to colony. Eventually, I'll probably have some sort of permissions, but like... I know that this is also used for determining if you can give NPCs actions to go do, like tasks and stuff. So right now we'll do if you're in the same colony. Is going to be the most common case. Return true there. And then I want to get the colony owner. Because the player can control multiple colonies. And colony data, not CPU channel, no, colony data. If colony data, colony owner and leader are different things. Owner, I think, is what we want here, which we will need to import or no equals query entity, which we can just return here. Okay, I think that's the logic I want to go with there. Let's wire this up. Can use inventory. Who? Who? Do I know who the interactor is here? All I have is the to and from. All I have is the to and from. I mean, I guess if it's a widget that's on screen, I just need to get the owning player. Because that's the player whose screen that we're currently on. So I think that's the actor. This is casting to a character panel. I see now why I didn't put that on the inventory. Well done, past strong. Well done. I don't know. They might be contextual. But it's basically going to be doing the same thing. I can also do if query entity equals colony owned entity, just by default return true as well, which will get rid of this case. Yeah, I guess go back to doing this can use actors UI. Okay, let's rebuild here. Put it down. Okay. And we're back. Can use actors UI. That's weird because there's an entity for the owner of the underlying inventory, then there's an entity for the actual widget, and those could be the same, could be different. I guess it's kind of nice to have this on the inventory because then the owner entity is something that doesn't really leak out of there. Though it would be nice to have a central location for this, but I guess that's this function here. I mean, yeah, I guess we can put it on each one. We're already like calling use character panel item. I mean, maybe I should just put that in there. Otherwise we use it. Interesting. So you have to have your inventory open if you want to transfer it. Otherwise you'll use it. Don't know if I want to stick with that. Don't know if I want to stick with that. For now, let's just put this in the use character panel item. Owning player and control colony owned entity. I should have the. Oh, this is still. Oh, this is in HUD still. Panel. Get owning. What is that? Is it a user widget? No, it's a character panel. Widmond. Welcome in. What are you doing? We're doing some game dev. Trying to fix my target inventory stuff. Yeah, where's the character panel? Do you not have... I have a displayed character, which maybe I want to be an entity. I think probably gets set from outside the class. The displayed character. Yeah, I guess we're using actor everywhere. So we can keep it as such. Okay, so scooch that over. Swap the ordering there as well. Okay, so if we can use it. Okay. Can use actor. Okay, let's make sure that this isn't used anywhere else. And then we can delete. Okay. Good. Now I imagine that there's some places in the NPC character No, just item slot. Oh, and character panel is broken too. Okay. On drop. Okay, so I do this on drop. Oh yeah, on like the target maybe. I guess it depends on what I'm dropping it on. Oh man, there's so many conditions here. I kind of want to wrap her. I kind of want to wrap her around that for actors or context objects. Well, hang on, yeah. Okay, that's what I want. And we can... Honestly, like, that's not that big of a function anymore. We can replace some of the other ones as well. You guys see this toasty little doggo back here? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. She's so content right now. Moxie, close your legs. Be a lady. Come on. Okay. Da 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 do do. And control colonist owned object. Now it's like we just get rid of some boilerplate. And I'm gonna just reuse that. Or was it HUD? I think it was HUD, right? Yeah, we'll use it in here since we have to get entity on both of them anyway. And then we can get rid of that. Oh yeah, that's, oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. It's all coming together.
It's all coming together. Inventory one probably still makes sense. Character panel, you're still borked. Why, pray tell? Did I not just change that? That check's already baked in now. Okay. Okay. All right. So one thing I wanted to check, now that we're back on track here, is world item ISMC. Spell it wrong. It'll do anything except put the actual class that I'm looking for first. I want to check if on-drop item is happening properly, which is what, in the... On the actor, of course. Of course. Where was I? Drop item here, I think. So we should be getting here, I think. If this, if that got properly added to the colony's stuff. We have two entities there. Me and hopefully the area. No, the area did not get added to the chunk processor. Okay. That's the issue. What can I do to test that? Da-da-do. They have location data, though it is at 000. Which the chunk processor oh, and it needs faction bitmask entity data as well. Which it should, the area should, I should have added that on the area. Yeah, so that's here. So after we get there, we should get there. This is just to make sure that it's getting... Okay, we got there. Exclude anything that already has chunk entity data. Yeah, we're not hitting that. Why wouldn't we be hitting that? I definitely don't add dead onto the buildings. I definitely do add... Wait, am I fucking dumb here? That's why. I was getting a fucking null thing there. I mean, I think I would have get or add. That was a weird thing that I was doing there. That was a weird... I don't even know what that would have done. Okay, we still didn't get there. I do have 3 entities now, though. There's one in 000, which I think is the... I think that is the area. Yeah, we do have something that is an area. Okay, so I think the colonist should know about this now. He does. He knows about it. But he doesn't have anywhere to store it. Apparently. It's a shirt now. Yeah, that's a side effect of some changes I made. Haulable inventory items. Let's just, so we couldn't find anywhere to put it. We do have a storage building. We could not get a storage for this item. Am I getting storage buildings twice? I am. Wait, why? Is that... Wait. Wait, where am I? Oh yeah, get closest best storage. Okay, so then we go here. Okay, I got turned around a little bit there. We get the stored items in the storage building. Allowed storage settings. We have a lot. There should be food in here. Item and resource. Food, fungal, white mushroom. Wait, is brown mushroom in here somewhere? Get allowed item quantity. It's unlimited. It's -1. Which should just be the quantity of the input item. If it's an area, get the valid storage spots, which is empty. Okay, so that's where our issue is. So I already will have checked the item hierarchy, and I'm double checking it there. So maybe get allowed item quantity. Should only be called for non-areas, because areas do it a bit differently. Storage spots array. Yeah, so we're gonna completely bypass that because nothing's stored in there. Existing items of the same class. Find the closest available spot. Get all storage spots. Returned nothing. Get storage spot for voxel. Also returned nothing. Trace on building. I mean, this would have gotten no hit results, right? Oh, it did. It just didn't. What did it hit if not for a building? You hit landscape, which should be valid. All right. So I'm explicitly checking if it's a building. I think this was meant to return. What are my collision settings? I think that's what got changed here. It's overlap on building. It's overlap on building. Why am I also tracing for terrain if right afterwards I'm just going to check if it's only a building? I feel like this needs to be if building and building equals area. which could really just be... I think that's what I meant to do, and I think I refactored this at some point and moved this out without realizing. Is me also tracing for terrain, like terrain and buildings are like the two things that areas can be placed on. That makes each little voxel within the area a valid one. Which, why am I needing to check here? Oh, I'm checking if something exists there already. That's essentially what I'm doing. If, or no, this should be if. Ah, it was opposite of what it should be. It is a block. It is a blocking hit. Okay, that did not get constructed properly. At least he's not stuck. That's what this was there to prevent. Yes, I wrote a bug, which I did. Why? Why did I write a bug? So back it up. We should have a best storage now. We do. Okay, so we probably just are calculating the distance improperly. Or something. I do have a closest tolerable item with a move to location, which is set to the voxel that we're going to put it in. Closest storage disk is now a non-max number. I was getting that the... I guess I didn't see which one was which there. Set store item action. Do I need to Oh my god, that's so fucking funny. I was like, what? Literally in my head, I was like, do I not handle areas here? And then I continued the execution. And there's a to-do here says, do I need to handle area buildings here? And this is the case that we're hitting. Though, actually, I feel like we should be hitting this case. Callable item.storage entity is not returning... Oh, it's not returning instance entity data. Yeah. So, yeah, I do need to handle area buildings here. Okay. Yeah. Good job, Past Drunk. Past My Drunk is doing great work today. Yeah, so if it has an instance data, we do all that good stuff. I already have moved to location here. Oh, I'm checking area here, which we never get to. Do I just get proxy actor data here? So we'll just check if building actor. And then if we have building instance data, we will set the ISMC on there. If we don't, I'll say else if area building and then cast the building actor there. Then I should already have storage building. That's just building actor, which I'll just change that to storage building actor to explain a little bit better there. Get best building interaction point, and we put that in move to location, which I guess let's move this above because we're like kind of defaulting move to location. Default move to location to storage building location. I'll say applicable voxel location is already in to location. Okay, so I think I fixed this condition. So yeah, I don't know that I need to handle area buildings here. Or no, I might, because they are. This is potentially a different case. Okay, this seems better now. Okay, so he's still not storing things. Are we getting here? We are getting there. We are getting there. Are we still getting to the oopsie fucksy spot? Yeah, we are. We are. What's invalid on the interact data? Is the interact action? Interact with object is null. Oh yeah, that never got set, did it? Yeah. Interact with object, and that's going to be directly on the area building rather than the ISMC, which is different. Okay. So hopefully he stores things in the area now. We'll still need to test, if this works, we'll still need to test that he respects the storage settings. Oh, there he goes. Okay. All right. Interacting actor. The interacting actor is no longer... I guess refresh interaction is for player character. So we just need to do... interaction interface. Build failed. Okay, I guess I know cast works. I'm just gonna do that. Oh, he did it! Look at that! He fucking did it! Execute, interact. This should have an interact action on it. Or an interaction interface. Yeah. Handle store item action. Is this within the... Yeah, this is within the area building. But he did it. Hey, he fucking did it. Oh, I thought that one was gonna get away from me. I hate that. We got it though. We got it done. Why did I get a shitty generated... Did it not pick up the... It might not have picked up the latest. Let's run live coding one more time. Hang on, cancel. I mean, like, I'm gonna make an edit to the... Sometimes writers, like... It, like, saves the file, but it doesn't pick up on it or something. I don't know. But he is putting stuff in the area now. Oh, look at that. Let's fucking go. Okay, now let's, we're gonna go no wood. Apparently, wait, wood is not in there. Oh, wood is a resource. Oh, I didn't change the other one. So none of that either. Which the checkboxes are not updating very well there. Okay, so I want him to not put that in there. And I think it already fucked up. Yeah, you already fucked up. You already fucked up. Yes, that right here is where we want to check. Oh, I need to work on the what What did he just fucking do? Did he take the wood from? Did he just did you just item dupe my brother? What did you fucking do? That was weird. Storable quantity. Item resource basic wood is 0. Wait, what is he? My item, some item with 50 in it. Why is he considering that? Oh, he's getting all the world items from the area. Interesting. Okay. That's what's happening here. Yeah, it's not, well, that one's weird. Yeah, we got some oopsies here somewhere. There's actually only one. Okay, yeah, we're gonna need to just test that all again at some other point. He's fucking doing it though, for how many goddamn issues there were I saw in the code. So I'll take that as a win. Oh, he's hungry now. Brother, there's food in colony storage. Take some brown mushrooms, sir. Okay, okay, we'll have to do some more of that next time. I gotta find someone to send you guys off to because I have a meeting. We're going to choose Shawnee B. Oh, he's listening to like my favorite techno set now. So yeah, we're gonna go say hello to Shawnee B. Thanks everyone for hanging out with me. Appreciate it. It looks like you just started. Perfect. So hope you all have a great year.